Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 29 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. This problem talks about polylactic acid, or PLA, and it talks about it a little bit. But basically, the question is we're asked to draw the structure of PLA. And so I've drawn two lactic acid monomers here so that we can think about what this reaction looks like and what the product is going to be. And so basically, the way that the reaction is going to go is going to be nucleophilic attack by the alcohol of one lactic acid monomer onto the carboxylic acid's carbonyl carbon of another monomer. And then, we'll see the mechanism that we've seen already in this chapter. And we're not asked to draw a mechanism here, so I'm not going to draw the whole thing out. But basically, this will be the first step. And then when that oxygen that is part of the carbonyl goes to close back down, it's going to kick the protonated OH group out. And so we're going to be forming an ester here. And so the ester, here. So the polymer is going to look like this. So remember, we use this notation to show that the polymer is extending in either direction, and we're only showing a small piece of it. And so we're going to have one monomer that's going to look like this. So here's our first monomer of this polymer. And now we have our ester bond, our ester linkage to the next monomer. And so the next monomer is going to look like this. And then we have another ester linkage. And then another monomer, another ester linkage. And so basically, so on and so forth, as far in either direction as you want. And so this is going to be the polylactic acid polymer here. And again, we got to this structure just by considering two monomers, two monomeric units of this polymer, and thinking about how they would react, and recognizing that the result would be an ester. And so then we pretty much just draw a chain of these monomers linked together with ester linkages. And that's the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 29.